In other news, Saturday will remain a work day for NBI personnel to process applications for clearances. The details of this report from Noel Perfecto.
NBI OIC Director Luigi De Lemos announced that applicants can now acquire NBI clearances tomorrow, Saturday, to accommodate those who are in need of the document for job applications. According to Director De Lemos, he has ordered Deputy Director Edmund Arugay to open all outlets nationwide from 8 in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Bukas, lahat ng clearance natin dito sa headquarters, tsaka sa regional, tsaka district offices, bukas. Mamaya pag-uusapan pa kahit Sabado. Ito yung ating ginagawang solusyon maliban dun sa mga ginagawa pa natin yan sa systems natin. Gusto natin buksan bukas. Nagpadala na kami ng message ngayon sa regional at district offices para mag-process ng clearance. Dito sa headquarters, bukas din yan. Bukas 8 hanggang 5.
He also directed Deputy Director Luel Lasala to catch all fixers and mulcters who are taking advantage of the applicants of NBI clearances. This after many complained that they were charged for the numbers given to them to acquire the NBI clearance.
Siya ang manghuhuli niyan at ididimanda natin.
Uhulihin natin lahat yan. Hindi pwede yan, hindi pwede. Mali yan, mali.
Pati yung sa mall.
Lahat na.
May record. Tingnan na natin kagad.
Walang bayad.
Walang bayad, pati pag number na nga, sinasamantala pa nila. Papahuli natin, hindi natin ito-tolerate.
Meanwhile, with regards to the investigation on individuals implicated by some farmer groups on rice smuggling, Director De Lemos says that they are currently undergoing an investigation in accordance with the order of Justice Secretary Laila De Lima.
Tinitingnan lahat ng ating anti-graft yan, sila ang nag-iimbestiga sa rice smuggling. Yun yung referral sa atin ng Senado para imbestigahan at tayo inutusan ng Department of Justice.
Tuloy-tuloy po ito.
Tuloy-tuloy po ito at wala pong humpay.
NFA spokesperson Rex Estoperez stressed that they will not stop helping the Bureau to identify and finally end activities by rice smugglers.
We will be transparent kung kailan kailangan ninyo. Even dun sa listahan ng mga sinasabi ng mga kooperatiba na yon, pwede namin pakita sa kanilang mga dokumento na yan.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.